Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to spam Reishi Spike Type Soul. To truly master this powerful technique, you must first grasp its fundamental mechanics. We will explore the ideal scenarios for its rapid deployment and, crucially, how to maintain a steady flow of the essential resource, Reishi. This approach ensures you can unleash the spike repeatedly, dominating your encounters with consistent, high-impact damage. The cornerstone of effective Reishi spike spamming is robust Reishi recovery. Focus on equipping items that provide a substantial increase to your Reishi regeneration, perhaps by 25% or more. Additionally, integrate character skills that offer instant or rapid Reishi restoration. Investing in upgrades that expand your total Reishi pool by at least 100 points will also provide a crucial buffer for sustained ability use. Executing the Reishi spike flawlessly requires precise timing and positioning. Familiarize yourself with the ability's exact cooldown, which is often around 3 to 5 seconds, to ensure you never miss an opportunity. Seamlessly weave the spike into your attack rotations, perhaps after every 2 or 3 basic attacks, to maintain relentless pressure. Always position your character to hit multiple targets, maximizing the spike's area of effect damage. For the ultimate Reishi spike strategy, consider synergistic team compositions. Pair your spike user with allies who can apply debuffs, such as defense reduction by 20%, or provide buffs that increase your own damage output. Always target enemies vulnerable to your spike's element or damage type for a significant damage boost. Consistent practice, perhaps for 15 minutes daily, will refine your timing and make this powerful technique second nature.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.